ready to start in dry conditions.
This could be interesting. Martin Mount's moment for Pit Byron. We are on the brink of something extraordinary.
We're on the Factory KTM leading here.
What a magic, marvellous performance this is. Absolutely sensational. What a Grand Prix. The Red Bull KTM in their backyard. But look,
courage, bravery, skill, all blended.
I'm honestly lost for words at what we've just witnessed. They cannot believe it. They just cannot believe. I don't think anybody can.
Crazy. Only those who know will really know just how difficult that was to achieve, but he's done it.
Some might say it's pure lunacy. Some will say it's just an absolutely fantastic reward for the big gamble.
Hello KTM Japan, I'm Miguel Oliveira, Red Bull KTM Factory Racing rider, and I'm here to congratulate you on your 20th anniversary. Thank you a lot for growing the brand in Japan and for the continuous support that you give us on track. And I'm really looking forward to meet you in September, and until then, ready to race and see you there.
Hello everybody at KTM Japan. I just want to say congratulations on growing so big that side. I can't wait to come back to Japan in September, and I can't wait to try and put on a good show in front of you guys. See you at Motegi. Cheers, cheers.